Hi everyone and welcome back to the Shabby Dollhouse. It's Laura. Thank you for joining me today. I just have a quick little video to share with you. I got some design team items from Esme at craftymeshop, and she wanted us to share what she sent us. So this here that's on my table is something that I did purchase from her last week, and I thought it would look so beautiful on my table, and it does. Look at how pretty this is. But I'm going to share with you what she sent. Now this is going to be new items that she will have in her sales. Okay, so I went ahead and took it out the bag, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I will have her link down below in the description box where you can find these beautiful items. So here we have a beautiful, beautiful applique and this beautiful trim here. This is so pretty. It's like a very light beige color. Just beautiful. So she has sales every Friday, just about every Friday and Saturday. And all you need to do is answer a few questions when you go to join the group and send your PayPal information, and you're all set to buy. So look at how beautiful this is. Let me see if I can put something under that. It's a very, very pale pink and light green applique. Just beautiful. And we have this beautiful lace here. Just gorgeous. Very, very beautiful. She's been so generous with us lately, giving us extras, and I'm so grateful. Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. So if you love to create with laces and like to make journals, head on over to her shop because she has beautiful laces. She even sells books and ephemera, and she sells seam binding and ribbon. Look at how pretty that is. Just gorgeous. We have some beautiful pearls here. So pretty. Just beautiful. Everything she has is just beautiful, y'all. You will not be disappointed when you get an order from her. You will absolutely love everything. This is so pretty. So all you would have to do is comment on a photo when she starts her sale, okay? And keep refreshing to see new posts, okay? So whenever she starts her sale, she will post it, or the DTs will post it and let you know what time. And you just comment how many yards or how many items you want. Like say if she had this, just comment however many you want. So isn't this adorable? We have this dingle trim. So I am working on some things right now as my DT project, and I will share with you a couple of little, I started on these earlier today but I didn't finish. I will share them with you. I just made some cute little snippets from the last batch she sent us. Isn't that adorable? So pretty. And this is one of my favorites. I love her CMS laces. And we have this beautiful trim here. Perfect to go on a book cover. Just perfect. And we have this beautiful pearl. Oh, it's like a collar. That's so pretty. We have this little flower applique. And this other little applique. And a lot of her laces are very easy to dye if you don't like the white, but I like the white and I like the ivories. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. And we have this heart one here. I think she sent me that in the last one. And another little trim. And here we have another beautiful lace. Gorgeous. Light ivory color. And this trim is stunning here. Just beautiful. That's from her last sale, but she may have it again. Just beautiful. I love that so much. And this, I believe, is her French lace. Isn't that stunning? Oh my word, that is beautiful. And I believe this is another French lace. Let's untie it. That is so pretty. Wow. And this is the last one. And I'm going to move all of this and show you this up close, what I purchased. Look at this. This is adorable. Beautiful, beautiful lace. Okay, and this is what I purchased. Isn't this amazing? So this can be cut and used for you can cut it and use it in your projects, but I'm not going to cut it. I love it. I wanted it for my table, like I said, because it's just so beautiful. Gorgeous. Just amazing. So let me show you the little, they're not very much because I just started on them. So I got to add some buttons and different little things to them, but I just used some stamps and stamped on some muslin, and was using the little pieces that Esme had sent us in our last package for this. Isn't that adorable? And that's a dress stamp I got from her. Just so cute. Like I said, I didn't finish them, but maybe I'll try to do a craft with me video on those this week, but I will let you know. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Esme. I love everything so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.